Oppo F1s, newly launched August 2016. It contains 5.5 display, 720 into 128 pixels. Back camera is 13 megapixel and secondary camera is 816 megapixel. 3 GB RAM, internal storage 32 GB and battery backup is 3075 mAh. It has Gorilla Glass.
Contacts बोला मैं
Now you can see the clearly.
शेरिट नहीं है या नहीं आता उसमें?
I just opening the camera. Just wait a second. Yeah, I got it.
एप्लीकेशन अनइंस्टॉल कर दो.
You can see the clearly image. Camera is so nice.
49 MB का रहता है.
Oppo is the best in camera. You can see the settings. Now it has 32 GB internal and 3 GB RAM. Oh, it's so nice. You can extendable up to 256 GB. Oh, it's so nice. Now you can see the photos. Yeah, you can see. Oh, it's so nice. You can buy. Now you can see the panel and back panel. Yo, it's so nice. Slightly, it's looking like an iPhone. Same. Here's the headset and back side it's a logo. Oppo camera you can see it clearly. Yeah, it's so nice.
అరే అన్నీ చూసుకున్నారా కరవ Ponle sin ningún miedo. Rami,